Folks, welcome to Java Technophile. Let's discuss the solid principle and their use cases, as well as when and where should we apply them, and focusing on the real-time use cases of solid principle. The solid principle are essential for anyone who involved in the software development, particularly software developer, software architects, project manager, quality assurance engineer, students, and new developers. If you are one of among them, don't dare to skip this video because this is most asked interview question and is daily in software development. Without this, your interview and workday won't be complete. Solid principle is nothing but applying the OOPS concept efficiently during software development. Why should we use solid principle? Because to achieve loose coupling between classes, which helps improve the code maintainability and reusability of solid is five key design principle. S stands for single responsibility principle, O stands for open close principle, L stands for list of substitution, I stands for interface segregation, D stands for dependency inversion principle. Let's discuss single responsibility principle. What single responsibility says? Single responsibility says every software module should have only one reason to change. It means a class should have contain only one functionalities, or a class should have only one responsibility, not multiple responsibilities. Let's discuss open close principle. What open close principle says? OCP principle states that the software entities such as classes, modules, and functions should be open for extension, closed for modification. The main goal of the OCP is to reducing the risk of introducing bug during maintenance and enhancement of the project. Let's discuss Liskov substitution principle. Liskov substitution principle states that object of a superclass should be able to replace with object of a subclass without affecting the correctness of the program. It was introduced by Barbara Liskov. Let's discuss dependency inversion and interface segregation principle. Let's discuss interface segregation principle. Interface segregation principle states that clients should not forced to depend on upon interfaces that they do not want to use, or classes should not be forced to implement method they don't use. Instead of having large interface, it should be better to smaller interface. Let's discuss a dependency inversion principle. Inversion principle states that high level modules should not be depends on the low level modules, and both should depends on abstraction, and abstraction should not depends on details, and details should not depends on abstraction. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like my contents, kindly subscribe my channel. For more in-depth discussion, I have a separate video for the solid principle. Kindly go through it. Thanks for watching.